Good morning, students. Brijesh Singh, Subrat Singh Children Academy. Students, dear, I just want to deliver the topic of history today. Previous two videos I have generated judiciary. Maximum topics have been described very clearly, and some additional questions I will take in second term of the video. Now, in history, two chapters have been included in your syllabus. Periodic test third, history, two chapters, understanding the law, political science, understanding the law, and secondly the judiciary. I have finished. Now the term of history, the first chapter goes to the Indian national movement, and second the position of women's. Two chapters. Definitely this is the very relevant chapter, Indian national movement. You have to remember, in 1857 revolt was totally connect whenever the Indian national movement fight had scored. अगर आप देखें तो जो चैप्टर हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं 1857 की क्रांति की बात, रिवॉल्यूशन की बात करें, वहां से लेकर के 100 ईयर्स 150 ईयर्स से जिस प्रकार का एक स्ट्रगल चला, एक ब्रेन फाइट चली, उसमें कुंवर सिंह की बात मैंने किया था, उसमें रानी झांसी की, लक्ष्मीबाई की बात मैंने किया था. एंड व्हाट आर द आउटस्टैंडिंग रोल प्लेड बाय मंगल पांडे. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट फ्रीडम मूवमेंट ऑफ द इंडिया. भारत के स्वतंत्रता संग्राम की पहली लड़ाई की बात अगर हम करें डियर, तो वो 1857 से शुरुआत हो चुकी थी. 1857 में करीब लगभग जितने प्रोग्रेस डेवलपमेंट वहां हुए थे, ऑल दोस वेयर टोटली नॉट सक्सीडेड बिकॉज द लैक ऑफ द वेपन्स, लैक ऑफ द नेशनलिज्म, एंड the whole country was not gathered on the particular hit the topic what was the strike is going on. जो उद्देश्य था across the country it was not spreaded. Some major centers like Delhi, Meerut, Allahabad, Lucknow have been covered, but a lot of regions where that 1857 was not absolutely success. I had mentioned this topic. We have taught you in the offline classes. Now I want to connect that matter, the Indian National Congress movement, second part की बात करें. This start from the 1905 Bengal partition. Bengal partition 1905. 1905. I don't need just putting the reason what were the cause of the Indian national movement here, because maximum people of our country were not satisfied with the administration of the British. Maximum whole Indians are not satisfied with the administration of ration of British. whole Indians are not satisfied with the administration of British. This is the bitter truth. It was the major cause of just taking the moment of the agitation of all Indians, because Indians were being tortured by the Britishers. 1857 revolt, Delhi, Meerut, Allahabad. I have discussed it hugely. Whatever the base has been laid here, the Indian national movement here, 1857. Now the second phase started, and the two kinds of the first, when the Bengal partition 1905 led by Lord Curzon. This is the very specific topic. This is the specific event from where the Indian national movement fight emerged. Nationalism was totally in a highly pickup. That's called the Bengal partition. Lord Curzon. This was the person who divided Bengal into two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal. East Bengal, maximum people were belonging to the Muslim community in the Bengal, and it was the policy of the Britishers that Bengal partition behind it was the motto of taking the action division of the Indian between Hindu and Muslim. Hindu and Muslim, until they are not going to divide until Muslim and Hindu, they cannot absorb their destination. To catch up their destination, it was because they were playing very diplomatic game. In India, there was a huge unity between the Hindu and Muslim, and it was the biggest strength of India. If Britishers realized this, until we are not going to the break or division of the Bengal partition between Hindu and Muslim division, I cannot survive my rules over the India. According to that, Bengal partition 1905, Lord Curzon, and this is the East Bengal and West Bengal. Now presently it has situated in the existence of the West Bengal. 1905, Lord Curzon announced the division of the Bengal partition. It was the turning point of the Indian national movement, and all the Indians protested hugely. It was protested hugely. At any rate, there is no acceptability of this act launched by the Lord Curzon, because Indians were understanding this is the cruel diplomatic style of the Britishers. They want to divide the Hindu and Muslim. 1905, Lord Curzon, East Bengal, West Bengal. Now your West Bengal is in existence. We have to underline every steps here, because we have to cover MCQ questions, we have to cover one-liner questions, we have to cover 2 marks question. So that every point should be paid. Exactly what the catching style of your dramatized should be very minutely observation needed here, because even a single question can be asked from there. If you don't have the fully command on every topic, on every personality, on every year, on cause, you will not be able to solve the MCQ's question, and finally you will not be able to answer the one-liner question. So every topic should be clear. This is not important of Bengal partition 1905 happened. What was the cause of behind that Bengal partition? Who was the main personality behind the Bengal partition? what was the effect of the Bengal partition? So many questions can be raised. So many questions can be raised here, Bengal partition. So I don't have hurry to finish the chapter. I just want to expand the contents. Whatever the contents must be delivered in a very scientific method. As the result, you must be able to understand and take the proper connectivity of your practical life. Practical life. Just try to Bengal partition 1905. Lord Curzon was main personality who was in leading role, and as a resulting it was divided into two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal. Whole Indians are not satisfied with the administration of ब्रिटिश के द्वारा संचालित जो भी था, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. There are a lot of regions where the Indians were not satisfied with the performance of the Indians because they discriminate, they have discriminating feelings. They torture Indians. They don't understand the feeling of the Indians. They always torture India in the sense of the business, in the sense of job, and in the sense of the uplifting of the category of mind brain. So it was totally opposition situation against the Britishers. Whole Indians were not satisfied. आर भी कह सकते हैं, where भी कह सकते हैं, because I just want to connect this topic in presently, so you can put in a past time. And the satisfied with the administration of British, it was protested usually at any rate because there was no shortage of the talent in India. At that time, nationalism was running in highly mounting, highly caliber situations where there were a lot of leaders were produced just getting the freedom of India at the age of the 1905. It was called the second phase of the Indian national movement. Paramounted. Everybody was seeking the awareness of how the controlled position of the Indian movement should be survived here. And it was the main realization of the Englishman. भारतीयों के राष्ट्रवाद को देख करके, भारतीयों की एकता को देख करके और भारतीय के बुद्धिजीवों को देख करके एक चेतना जो जगी थी, उसको लेकर के अंग्रेजों को पूरा एहसास हो गया था कि इस प्रकार का आंदोलन जिस प्रकार से चल रहा है, जिस प्रकार से भारत में एकता है, यूनिटी है, और जिस प्रकार से राष्ट्रवाद की भावना प्रस्फुटित हो रही है, इसको लेकर के अगर हिंदू और मुस्लिम के बीच में ब्रेकडाउन नहीं दिया गया तो निश्चित तौर पर हमारी हार सुनिश्चित है और बहुत दिन तक हम भारत पर शासन नहीं कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज दे वर मेंटली प्रिपेयर फॉर द डिप्लोमेटिक एंड पॉलिटिकली. हर प्रकार की चाल चलना चाहते थे. वो जानते थे कि डिप्लोमेटिक वेस भी इंडिया को डोमिनेट कर सकता है, और उसी का रिजल्ट था डियर कि बंगाल पार्टीशन 1905 में हुआ, लॉर्ड कर्जन में हुआ. ईस्ट बंगाल एंड वेस्ट बंगाल, ऑल इंडियंस वे आर नॉट. 1906 द नेक्स्ट स्टेप हियर, 1906 बाइकाटेड स्वदेशी. 1906 मुस्लिम लीग movement came into existence. This is the ढाका में ये मुस्लिम लीग बनाया गया because Muslim communities demand were separate elections. They have been ensured some reserved seat for the Muslim because the basic foundation of the Hindu and Muslim partition has been subscribed after being held of the Bengal partition. बंगाल पार्टीशन के बाद ही हिंदू मुस्लिम में वो बात हो गई थी, और 1906 में मुस्लिम लीग्स मूवमेंट originated ढाका, और आफ्टर getting the target of 1905 it was the Swadeshi movement. Indian decided we have to boycott the Britishers मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मटेरियल्स। स्वदेशी मूवमेंट, स्वदेशी मूवमेंट, इसकी भी डेट आप 1906 में रख सकते हैं। बोथ वेयर इन पैरेलल लाइन, बोथ वेयर इन पैरेलल लाइन। जस्ट द ओरिजिनेशन ऑफ 1906 मुस्लिम लीग मूवमेंट। इसका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहाँ हुआ था? ढाका में हुआ था, जो इसमें बांग्लादेश की कैपिटल है। स्वदेशी मूवमेंट 1906, दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी राइट, व्हाट वाज द मोटो ऑफ द स्वदेशी मूवमेंट? व्हाट वाज द मोटो ऑफ द स्वदेशी मूवमेंट लॉन्च्ड बाय इंडियन? इट वाज the circumference, it was the context of the boycott the Britishers materials। अंग्रेजों के द्वारा बनाए गए सारे सामान का बहिष्कार करना है। और स्वदेशी, जैसा कि नाम से भी आप देख रहे हैं, स्वदेशी मूवमेंट का मतलब all those elements, all those materials will be used wherever had been manufactured in India। भारत में स्वनिर्मित चीजों का ही इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा और भारत विदेशों के मटेरियल्स को बिल्कुल बहिष्कार किया गया है। तो मुझे लगता है कि जहां तक कॉन्टेक्स्ट समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, एक बार क्विक रिवीजन ले लेते हैं। 1905, आई जस्ट वांट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, बिफोर इट यू हैव स्टडीड इन 1857 कुंवर सिंह, मंगल पांडे एंड जस्ट वेयर। नाउ द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द नेशनल मूवमेंट हैज टेकन स्टार्ट। बंगाल पार्टीशन 1905, it was launched by the Lord Curzon, who was very the cunning viceroy of the British East Bengal and West Bengal, and whole Indians were not satisfied with the administration of the British. It was the main cause of raging the movement. It was protested hugely at any rate, किसी भी कीमत पर। भारतीय लोग बिल्कुल एकदम मेंटली प्रिपेयर थे कि भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन, अंग्रेजों को भारत से निकालना ही है। और पहले मूवमेंट में 1857 का जो मंगल पांडे का विद्रोह था, जो प्रोटेस्ट था, उसके कंपैरिजन में ये सेकंड मूवमेंट आपका काफी स्ट्रांग था। इट वाज द कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑफ द साइंटिफिक मोटो and the mental power as well as physical power, and the enthusiasm was in paramount situations. There was a lot of collections here, and ultimately it was totally spread across the country here. So I will take a lot of the heroes who contributed just India getting freedom. 1906 Muslim League movement, Dhaka. Two questions can be asked here. When did Muslim League organization? 1906. Where the place? Dhaka. And second question can be raised on just beyond of the parallel lines, Swadeshi movement 1906. It was the two part of the Congress foundation। आप जानते हैं कांग्रेस का फाउंडेशन कब हुआ था? कांग्रेस वाज फाउंडेड, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस Indian National Congress was established 1885. A.O. Hume, Mumbai, and the first president of the W.C. Banerjee। You have to know the complete history of Indian National Congress in short brief। Indian National Congress जो आज की कांग्रेस है, उसी कांग्रेस की बात की जा रही है। कांग्रेस was established 1885। A.O. Hume was founder। Mumbai, that was the place, and W.C. Banerjee was the first president। डेट्स को सिस्टमेटिकली कनेक्ट करते जाएंगे। कनेक्ट करते जाएंगे। थोड़ा सा हम बैक साइड में चले हैं कि कांग्रेस की चर्चा चूंकि हम करेंगे, आई विल टॉक अबाउट द कांग्रेस, व्हाट वाज द स्प्लिटिंग कांग्रेस कंडीशन वेयर एंड हाउ मेनी लीडर्स वेयर prompted just taking the action of the violation, just getting, and the conceptual differences Mahatma Gandhi took entry in Indian politics, in Indian movement. I will tell you everything, but this is not possible single in one video, but events should be connected. 1905, 1906 Swadeshi movement. What was the aim of the Swadeshi movement? Boycotted the Britishers cloths, manufacturing materials, all the things should be boycotted from the India. Indians were not ready to use the manufactured materials, products of the British. Just to getting the back, Indian National Congress, it's very necessary to know the history of the Indian National Congress. 1885, A.O. Hume was the person who established Indian National Congress. Mumbai was the place, and W.C. Umesh Chandra Banerjee, the first president, इसके पहले प्रेसिडेंट थे। क्लियर? Now I will discuss here in 1907, this was the very important year. Congress split into two parts. Congress split due to ideological differences. Split due to ideological differences. This was the turning point of the Indian national movement here, when the Congress has been split here, because there were two ideological thoughts, first of extremist and second moderates. दो प्रकार के विचारधारा में थे। एक लोग ये चाहते थे विथ प्रेयर, विथ बेग, हाथ जोड़कर प्रार्थना करके, भीख मांग करके भारत को आजादी नहीं मिल सकती है। One side of the Indian Congress was the follower of just getting the demand of politeness and requesting beyond of getting the freedom of the India. It was not part of that kind of the moderates. जिसको थोड़ा सा अगर आप हिंदी में जान लेंगे तो अच्छी बात रहेगी। नरम दल, जैसा कि नाम से भी आपको लग रहा है, नरम दल। मॉडरेट्स में थे दादा भाई नौरोजी, and so many leaders were the follower of the moderates, especially Gandhiji was also the follower of the moderates here, because he didn't trust in violence. उनका मतलब ये था कि भारत में किसी प्रकार की हिंसा के बिना हम आज़ादी ले सकते हैं, हाथ जोड़ करके। और जो दूसरा पार्ट था डियर, वो थे एक्सट्रीमिस्ट्स, जिसको बोलते हैं गरम दल। दे वेर इन हाइपर टेंशंस, दे डोंट बिलीव इन नॉन वायलेंस, दे एब्सोल्युटली वांट टू शो द पावर, they have real intention to fight, back to back fight. They believed in this formula until we are not going to fight the mental pressure of the English. Indian peoples, along with the contribution of Indian people, Britishers cannot leave the Indian land. अब यहाँ स्वाभाविक था मॉडरेट्स और एक्सट्रीमिस्ट में आपका था बिपिन चंद्रपाल, लोकमान्य तिलक, बाल गंगाधर Bal Gangadhar Tilak. These are very important personalities. They don't have the identity crisis. And thirdly, Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Rajpat Rai. और इनको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में डियर बोला जाता है बाल पाल लाल. बाल पाल लाल. They were belonging to extremist group. बाल का मतलब बाल गंगाधर तिलक, पाल का मतलब बिपिन चंद्र पाल और लाल का मतलब लाला राजपत राय. They were complete believer of the category of the extremist where they were trusted in Indian movement here until we are not going to fight to back. Indians or Britishers are not ready to move from here. But the other side where the moderates were trusted in believing that so we can do prayer. और ये जो एक्सट्रीमिस्ट लोग जो है इनको कमेंट करते थे मॉडरेट्स पर कि भीख मांगने से देश की आज़ादी नहीं मिलेगी. एक्सट्रीमिस्ट हमेशा मॉडरेट्स पर इस दबाव डालते थे. दे वर इंटेंटेड टू प्रेशर दैट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग टू समथिंग, स्प्रेडिंग योर हैंड एंड द बिहाफ ऑफ द हम्बलनेस. Englishmen were not going to leave the India, and they were not going to put mercy on Indians on just joining the hands. And it was the turning point here. Moderates and extremists due to Congress split due to ideological differences. इस लाइन पर प्लीज ध्यान दीजिएगा. एक नई डेट आपको मिली है 1905. 1905, 1906, at the back side we countered it 1885. Now the moving forward 1906, and the 1906 was the big incident happened, split due to ideological difference. कांग्रेस दो भागों में बट गई. कांग्रेस दो भागों में बट गई क्योंकि कांग्रेस का एक कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थे. दे वर ट्राइंग टू कलेक्टिवली आई हैव टू फाइट विद द ब्रिटिशर्स जस्ट गेटिंग द इंडियन मूवमेंट. बट ड्यू टू आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंसेस मॉडरेट्स जो नरम दल के लोग रहते थे वो मांग करते थे कि हम हाथ जोड़ करके, मैंने बताया. और एक्सट्रीमिस्ट में जो है 3 मेजर पर्सनालिटीज एंड countered the moderates. It's not possible. We have to fight back to back. जब तक हम ताकत का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे, अंग्रेजों पर दबाव नहीं डालेंगे, ब्रिटिशर्स पर दबाव डालेंगे, किसी कीमत पर वो भारत को छोड़ के जाने के लिए राजी नहीं होंगे. दिस वॉज द फॉर्म. दे वर टोटली डिटरमाइंड. डेफिनेटली एट द रिजल्ट इट वॉज द स्प्लिट ऑफ द कांग्रेस. एक गुट बन गया मॉडरेट्स का, दादा भाई नौरोजी वगैरह उसमें और कुछ लोग थे, और दूसरे थे एक्सट्रीमिस्ट बिपिन चंद्र पाल, बाल गंगाधर, लाला लाजपत राय, जिसको हमने बताया बाल पाल लाल. ये 1907 में स्प्लिट हो गए क्योंकि भारत उद्देश्य था both moderates and extremists both have single motto to get the freedom, but their ways were different. And finally 1907 and 1915, the major date here 1915, Gandhi ji took entry in India as active politician. This is the very historical event here. गांधी जी का भारत की आज़ादी की स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई में एंट्री कब होती है? 1950 में गांधी जी took entry in the India as the active politicians. Now the 1907 fights चलती रही. 1950, what was the age of Gandhi ji at that time when he took entry in Indian politics? That the 46 years. He came back from the South Africa. His image was a very outstanding. His image was marvelous in the South Africa because completely there was no crisis of identity or having taken entry in the Indian politics here, totally scenarios changed. 1916, one other date, 1915, because this is data's calculation here. If you study Indian national movement, you have to extremely focus on the dates, on the particular dates. So what incidents happens, what kind of main scenarios happened, what kind of situation have been turning point, what was the turning point. You have to mention every dates and dates with personality, and their action. And their action, you have to correlate each other. 1915 in Gandhiji entry, Indian active politics, 1947, and after creating a lot of effort, ultimately 1916 in Lucknow, this is called the Lucknow Adhiveशन, Lucknow session, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डेट है ये। 1916 लखनऊ सेशन में जो कांग्रेस की स्प्लिट हुई थी, बोथ आर ज्वाइंड, फिर दोनों मिल गए, इसको लखनऊ सेशन बोलते हैं, लखनऊ सेशन। और ये स्प्लिट कहाँ हुई थी, ध्यान रखिएगा, सूरत में, सूरत जो गुजरात में है। ये भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट है। 1907 में कांग्रेस की जो स्प्लिटिंग प्लेस कौन सा था, वो था सूरत। और 1916 में दे कैम बैक टुगेदर, वो फिर आपस में मिले, क्योंकि वो जानते थे कि डिवीजन ऑफ पावर इज द फ्रेंड ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स। अगर हम लोग आपस में वैचारिक आइडियोलॉजिकल तौर से बंट जाएंगे, इसका निश्चित तौर पर ब्रिटिशर्स विल टेक द एक्सट्रीम एडवांटेज, एंड it was not the result in favor of the getting the Indian national movement, because all Indians have single target to get the national movement. 1916 में लखनऊ के सेशन में मॉडरेट्स, जो ये दादा भाई नौरोजी एंड टीम थी, और एक्सट्रीमिस्ट में ये सब पूरा मिल करके एक बार फिर कांग्रेस जो है वो रीयूनाइट हो गई, एक बार फिर। इसको भी ध्यान रखेंगे। 1916 में लखनऊ में सेशन में 1885 गांधी जी की एंट्री आपने देख लिया। तो आई इज फ्रेम्ड टुडे जस्ट फॉर लिटिल इंफॉर्मेशन, वेयर आर 1857 व्हेन द कुंवर सिंह एंड मंगल पांडे हिस्ट्री फ्रॉम द प्लेस हैज बीन लेफ्ट हियर। नाउ आई टूक द पोजिशन ऑफ द 1905 was the turning point of the Indian movement, just having the partition of the Bengal. Lord Curzon was the person who created the West Bengal at the two part of the West Bengal and West Bengal. And now 1906, it was the virgination of the Muslim League in Dhaka, and because they have been realized that we have to something extra demand here. मुस्लिम को लगने लगा कि हम हिंदुओं के साथ रह करके उतना हमको हमारा हक और हमारा जस्टिफिकेशन हमको नहीं मिलेगा, तो उन्होंने एक मुस्लिम लीग को बनाया। और फिर इसके बाद अगेंस्ट ऑफ द बंगाल पार्टीशन स्वदेशी मूवमेंट 1906 में बाइकॉटेड ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड मटेरियल्स मेड बाय ब्रिटिशर्स। 1885 AO Hume, Mumbai, Banerjee, and the first session. I have logged this scenario because a lot of questions can be framed from here, from the Indian National Congress 1885, AO Hume, Mumbai, WC Banerjee. It was the very charming topic of the Indian National Movement, the concern of the Indian National Congress. After that, I took entry in the 1905 Congress split due to the ideological differences, moderate extremist. But later after some time, they realized there is a need of unity. दोनों ग्रुप ने ये महसूस किया कि जब तक हम एक नहीं रहेंगे तब तक भारत को आज़ादी नहीं दिला सकते हैं। Until we are not going to united, we cannot get the freedom of India, because opposition, the Britishers were very almighty. We have to take the action in collectively. So the 1916, याद रखिएगा, लखनऊ, एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता था, when did the both moderates and extremists were combined, were jointly reunited? This was the 1916 in Lucknow, moderates and extremists. And one another part I took entry here, just 1915 Gandhiji took entry in India as active politics. He was 46 years old. He has come from the South Africa, second from here, having taken entry in Indian politics here 1915, 1916, 1915 में गांधी जी की एंट्री हुई, 1916 में उन्होंने क्या किया, मॉडरेट्स और एक्सट्रीमिस्ट का जो डिवीजन हुआ था, एक पहली सफलता उन्होंने दिलाया कि दोनों ताकतों को एक किया कि अगर आप लोग आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंसेस में अलग अलग रहेंगे तो पूरी ताकत का इस्तेमाल नहीं हो पाएगा। परिणाम स्वरूप एज अ रिजल्ट ब्रिटिश गेट अनवांटेड एडवांटेज। So this was the logical and justified, so moderate and strict. This was the main contribution of the Mahatma Gandhi 1960 realization. After that, I will take second video. I think 2 or 3 videos are expected to be generated from this topic here because this is a long topic. But every topic should be satisfied or getting the extra homework, and you have to pay the extra attention on the topic here. What are the events happening? What the particular person are connected, what the dates are relevant, how the dates conceived each other, what happened in particular date, motto, इस प्रकार की चीजों को लेकर के आप चलेंगे। डेफिनेटली आई विल मूव फ्रॉम हियर, व्हाट हैपेंड 1916, व्हाट हैपेंड 1916, और ये जर्नी आपको लेके चलना है 1916 से लेकर के जर्नी लेके चलेंगे 1947 when India got freedom. So there is a very huge distance journey. Now we are running on the 1915, 16, 1916 and the 47, what event took place and how the Sardar Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Jallianwala Bagh Hatyakand, Quit India movement, a lot Dandi March, round table conference, a lot of incidents are connected to this topic here, and this is the very charming and marvelous topic of the Indian national movement. So I have to take the extra carefulness to achieve this topic because the maximum questions are to be expected asked in the examination, present examination, in coming examination. So I want to take the proper stoppage today, and the 46 years I have taken the entry of the 1915 Mahatma Gandhi took entry in the Indian national movement. From here I will move next topic. Till then, thank you, take care.